Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rockstar here, and today I'm gonna be playing Attack of the Beauty on a nice little peaceful server. You should go on it. I'll put the description on thing below. And basically, as you heard, and I'll tell you in the link below what the server IP is, so most people can go onto it. So today, like most of you know, I have my account has been hacked, so this is my second video, and I don't have any food. So this really nice server, you should go onto it. It's super nice. I've got a really nice mic shop and a really nice thing, and I do not have a bet, but I do have I do have a flame imp. The problem is, the flame imp can't fly. Or can it? Wait, I haven't checked. Okay, the flame imp can't fly, but I think he can glide. No, can't even glide, even though he has wings. That's really amazing. Anyway, so I'm gonna be trying to finish this magma crucible. Oh yeah, and I haven't showed you the upstairs. This is just like my mining base. This is like mining base beta. This is my little house. This is my giant farm that has so much stuff in it. Oh, can take that cotton. Take that. Ow! Skeleton, a skeleton, a skeleton. I can't. What are you doing? No. How did it come in? How'd you get in? Okay, I have no food. I need to get some food. Okay, I got a strawberry. Pretty nice. I got a strawberry. I got a nice... I don't know if I can... No, I can't use that. Tentacle. That's amazing. So, I don't know. I'm gonna go to my mining base because that's the most safe place, because every time a mob falls down, it can't really go down the ladder, so it goes down here and smashes its head and dies. So, today, I am going to be making an injection. So I need an inject. A scraper. I need a scraper. No, that doesn't work. Oh, it's not the wrong. Scrape. Oh, there we go. So I need an iron ingot and 2 stone rods. Okay, that's good. I have a iron. I really need to do my inventory. It's just so annoying. I forgot how to do it. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I need those 2 stone sticks. Where are they? I had them 5 seconds ago. Anyway, I can just make 2 new ones. So, I just need this. You should get go onto the server. It's a really nice server, and I have actually been going on it for a really long time. But the problem is I haven't been working on that. I haven't been going on YouTube for a long time, because it's lagging. Sometimes it lags, but that's not. Oh, I had it in my inventory all the time. Oh wait, it's this way. Okay, so I have a scraper. Cool. Auto scraper. Now I need. Wait, what is it? Advanced. So now I need a combustion generator. Now this is probably the most hardest part in the whole time. So So now we need to get a spider eye, which I don't have a spider. And I really need food. I'm just gonna slash food. I don't know if it's what. No. Help. Kit. Oh. Kit. PFC. I haven't even tried these kits before. Okay, cool. I need this. Okay, yeah. So, it's a really nice server, and I kind of don't want to come out because this is... Oh, I died. The good thing is that I don't really spawn that much. Anyway, all my levels are gone. That's great. And okay, anyway. I died right next to my berry bush. I hate my berry bush. It's so annoying. Oh. All that time I've been mining a block. Instead of mining my grave. I'm so dumb. Let's just get that. I do have a lot of diamonds. So I have literally been mining for ages. I just made a diamond pickaxe because I was gonna go make some just need cobblestone. Really nice. So I am chisel. Chisel my cobblestone. This one, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Okay, yeah, it's this one. That's nice. So now I am going to be making a combustion. So what I can do is I can go all the way up. I did see a spider here a few minutes ago while I was getting everything ready. But no, oh, that's a weird type of oh, there's a oven witch. They're really weird. I don't think they hurt me, do they? Excuse me, do you hurt me? Excuse me, do you hurt me? Oh, now they hurt me. Oh, I can fight. Oh, there's a lot of witches. Oh, okay, I'm poisoned. Never mind. Never mind. I'll do it in the morning. So now I have slowness, which is great. I don't know what I was gonna do with the magma crucible. Oh yeah, I was gonna make a engine. Oh no. I need to find it. I don't know how to make it. So I think the main of the goal I'm trying to set today is to make a airplane so I can fly around it quite a lot. It will be really useful. It's very easy to get around. But the problem is I have no idea. Ooh! Oh no, they have tornadoes on this. Okay. I'm gonna probably make a tornado siren. Yeah, just gonna type in the chat. Dudes, are there any tornadoes on this server? Okay, let's just find out. Because there might not be a lot of tornadoes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, come. So I got this really cool crafting station. I forgot how to make it. But it's really useful because look, it has a crafting station, and it has like an adventure. So it's really nice. Oh, I can't find it. It's really annoying. Wait, what? When do they come? Rare. But I hit the button now. Oh no, I need to let it start. Ha ha ha. Oh no 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 no. I need to make a tornado siren. I need to block off my house. Oh crap. I need to get my diamonds. I need my diamonds. All my diamonds. All my precious stuff. My dragon eggs. Yeah. And I need some of my diamonds and my and I need to go downstairs because my tornado is coming. It's gonna kill me. I need wood. Wood. I'll just take this. That's just so mean. Okay. Now. Okay, this is, I think, low enough for the tornado. I'll just make mining base. New mining base. Okay, I got a crafting station. Rain. Now, how to make a tornado? Okay, sensor. 2 iron, gold. So, actually, wait, I can just do this. Simple. Oh, I need 1 more iron. Iron isn't that hard to find, is it? Ah, there we go. Ooh. Okay, got it. Oh, and I. Okay, now I need to go back up here and quickly, I want to see the tornado. It'll look really cool, won't it? Where is it? Okay. No to be seen. Now we just need to quickly make the furnace. So I think I'm probably gonna die, but who really cares? It doesn't matter. All my stuff will be gone. It's fine. It's not that bad, is it? Just make sure I'm gonna be what? X, Y, Oh, I keep doing it. Okay. That's my mining base. Oh, here it is. Okay. So now I need to put down that furnace. I feel really stupid. So now this will just. Oh, now I need a tornado siren. Oh, I need to make 2. Oh, okay. And I need way more iron. I need 8 more. That sucks. Okay, so I got 2. Oh, cool. That's good. And a witch. Run, 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 run. I hate witches. Run, 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 run. Ooh, ooh, I'm poisoned, I'm poisoned, I'm poisoned. I'm poisoned, I'm poisoned. She can't get me now, can she? I'm scared. Don't wanna die. I put my diamond block, I don't wanna die. Nothing can kill us now. Except a tornado. Oh yeah, I want it. I want my... Hey, I want my tornado sensor. Give it to me. Okay. There. I got it. Oh, come on. I made it correctly, didn't I? Yeah, I made it correctly. Let's just swap this iron then. Oh, I spelled something correctly. Sorry guys. So this is all the nice stuff. Oh, vector tree. Oh. Weather collector. Tornado gun? How do you make that? Oh. Oh, that sounds cool. Surfboard. Sounds so cool. Shockwave, drill. Oh, how do you make that? Oh, cool. Oh, I really. Let's go back to my neighbor's beta. What's that witch? I really don't like that witch. Really despawn. Where's my way out? Oh, there it is. Okay. Now, I'm really low on hunger now. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Why do I have to? Okay, I'm gonna do another kit because I'm really hungry. Kit SPC. What's this? What's this? What do I get? I just need to do this. So right click, space. Right click, space. I can't remember how I did it last time. Can't do it though. I don't know what to do.